What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Oh, just hanging out here with an old Lexus. No, not old at all. Actually, very new, very new. There's the 2010 beater Lexus. This is my aunt's college roommate from Florida. She's in town visiting, and this is her new she bought it in November. It's a 2020 RX350, and this thing is gorgeous. I have not looked at one of these up close since they redesigned them a few years ago, but this headlight, oh my God, it's so thin. I mean, and these cutouts, that's actually real. It provides air to something, probably the brakes. But look at that grille. How intricate. I mean, these grills, you know, you love or hate it. It's, you know, one of those type deals. But I like it. I don't know, something about this funky style, it just works for me. Nice alloys. Riding on Michelin Premiers. She did say someone had already, a grocery cart or something, had already scratched it. And you can see a little dent right there. So she said I said, well, that's the joys of owning a black car. Just a gorgeous car. Kick my foot under there. She's brought her golf clubs and her luggage and her Costco coffee. Pretty cool. I like the color combo on this car. Oh, we got a lot of stuff back here. But this two-tone door trim and this wood feels like bamboo or something. I mean, you can feel the grain in it. It doesn't feel like it's, you know, shiny and stained with a lacquer finish. Got LED interior lighting. Yeah, this wood, and especially on the steering wheel, it's so natural. It's like IKEA made it or something. Look at the seats, man. These things are sumptuous. Just gorgeous seats. Yeah, this is... Oh, and she did the right thing. Go WeatherTech. Any new car, especially a nice one, get you some WeatherTech mats, man. I do have the key in my pocket, so we'll go ahead and hit the start button right here. She left her phone in here. Let's do a little start. Ooh, fancy. Apple CarPlay. We have 4,132 miles. Of course, it has lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control. I believe this is probably a premium package car. It's because it's got the heated and cooled seats, but I'm not as well versed on these newer ones. It does have a heated steering wheel, automatic headlamps, your tailgate. Oh, that door, the way it closes. Man, that sounds good. So we got, okay, so you can use the little mouse here to go, yeah, hello, menu. Yeah, so we can go to climate. Okay, auto. Cool. That is fancy. Great sounding stereo. There's your heated and cooled seats. Parking brake. Eco and sport. All that good stuff. Your traction control. I wonder if it has a window sticker in here. She traded in a 2010 that had about 110,000 miles, I think she said. She traded in on this. She was like, I don't even know what I paid for it. She was like, with the trade-in and the discount, she was like, I was in a haze. Let's look at the hood, under the hood. We probably won't see anything but plastic. Hello, Joe. Oh yeah. There's that little baby. I imagine that's still a 3.5, isn't it? Comment below. I'm looking at the stickers here. Yeah, I think that's still the 3.5. Hell, if I know what kind of horsepower they're putting out by now. I imagine probably close to 300. If not, probably just a tick under. It's a compact unit. I mean, it's not very big. Engine oil. OW20. Let's give her a poke. Yeah. Let's look at these headlights. Those are pretty cool LEDs. I like them. Pretty cool. They look very expensive to replace if you break one. They sure do. Well, wish I could take her for a test drive, but I didn't even want to put her in the position to say no or yes, since it's so new. She comes up here a lot from Florida and visits, and maybe when it gets a few more miles on it and gets broken in, she will allow me to take it for a spin. I will say the steering wheel is my favorite piece in here. I mean, that feels, I mean, I can feel the wood. That feels like I'm handling a piece of raw timber that's just been sanded down. So cool. Oh, and I love the rear view mirror. The frameless. Oh, man, that is so cool. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Anyway, y'all have a good day. This is a short one. Like I said, wish we could do a drive, but like, comment, subscribe. If you know what's the horsepower on this thing, I don't have a clue these days. Just throw a comment below. Throw a like too if you like this video. Y'all have a good day. We'll see you next time. Ooh, peace.